Okay, Bill, we got another problem. So there was a Ring doorbell here, and this is what they left. Oh, so that's...
Got all these wires in case you want a Ring doorbell.
Okay, so a regular doorbell, you just need these 2 wires?
Yes.
And then if you want Ring, you got to use...
All these wires.
All those? Wow. Okay, so do you think you could put a Ring bell there? I mean, a doorbell?
If you're like $3,000, they cost a lot, don't they?
Okay, we're back. Bill went and he got the doorbell. Which one did you get this time?
Oh, it's your standard doorbell, and you gotta make sure it has a wire connection, not the wireless. You know, some of them run on Bluetooth.
So how much was that?
It was like $6.
Let's see what it looks like.
Well, they don't give you the anchors, and I noticed you were missing the anchors. And these holes are too big, huh? So we're just gonna silicone these anchors in. I knew they'd be too big. But you can't have big anchors because they won't fit in the doorbell holes.
What kind of silicone is that? Exterior?
Just clear silicone.
Yeah.
And it's clear. You could get it white or beige. See, the holes are too big. And if they put bigger anchors in, then I need bigger screws and it won't fit through your doorbell. So I kind of anticipated this.
Is that like measuring twice, cutting once?
Almost.
Okay, so those are for the screws. Do we have to wait for that to dry?
Yeah, so you're gonna have to screw it on tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, like in an hour. You think you could handle this?
Yeah.
These 2 screws?
Yeah. Why don't you just place them there?
You know, I'm gonna hook the wire up for you.
Yeah, let's do that.
And you can borrow my screwdriver. It don't matter how it goes.
Which one is the grounded one?
It don't matter. It's very low voltage.
Oh, you have to show how you wrap it around. So when
Well, clockwise, if you're going to tighten it clockwise. I didn't bring my razor. I'm sure I could sneak it underneath it.